Good morning, everyone. So when new businesses come to me, one of their first questions are, should I be incorporated or not? And we've done many videos on that, so please check back to see those. But the second question that comes up and came up today was, do I need a lawyer to incorporate? The short answer to that is, if it's only you that's going to be a shareholder, or you and your immediate family, probably not. You don't need a lawyer. The long answer is, it's not a bad idea. I mean, you are going to pay a little extra to get incorporated, but things are going to be in order for sure. You're going to have a minute book put together. You can do that yourself as well with the legalese kit from any license center. But if you're going to have partners and you're going to have people outside your immediate family being shareholders of that corporation, you really should involve a lawyer in that process. And the money that it costs at the beginning may be well worth it when things turn sideways. So that is, and nothing against lawyers. I mean, they do what they're supposed to do, and they're doing the right thing and providing a service and charging fairly for that. But you can do it yourself. You should, though, however, talk to somebody who actually knows what they're doing. Someone like myself, and I know there's other accountants here in town that do free, no obligation meetings, so you can get some information, so you can at least get on the right foot. Do not use these online services to incorporate, because what happens is you incorporate as a Canadian corporation, and then in order to operate in Alberta, you need a corporate access number to file your taxes, which costs more money and more hassle, and they overcharge you they charge you for things like getting a GST number, which, by the way, is absolutely free and takes about 5 minutes, or less than that, right? It takes no time at all to get a GST number after you incorporate. So don't pay these services to do that. It is a giant waste of money. And when they set them up, they always set you up as a December year end annually, which, may or may not fit your situation, but, just don't use them. Go talk to somebody who knows what they're talking about. Talk to somebody face to face. Okay. So I hope that helps. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all of which are linked in the description below. We're more than just an accounting firm. We do business consulting and media creation for our small businesses. Consider checking us out. It would really mean a lot. Hope to see you soon.